Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This Timo product link is in the description below, so you can check it at any time. Today, I want to be very clear. Those are noise reduction sleeping earbuds from Timo. They are not music earbuds. They are designed only to reduce noise while sleeping. Timo offers many simple and practical products for daily use, and this one is one of them. Those sleepy earbuds are made for people who want quieter environment at night without spending lots of money. The design is small, soft, and lightweight, perfect for sleeping. They sit comfortably in the air and do not stick out, which make them suitable for side sleeping. Because they are soft, they don't cause ear pain during long hours of sleep. Those earbuds work by reducing external noise. They help block snoring, street noise, fan, and background sound. There is no Bluetooth, no music, and no calls. They are purely for peaceful and interrupted sleeping. Those are perfect for light sleepers, people living in noisy area, travelers, and anyone who wants better sleep quality. For the price, these Timo sleep noise reduction earbuds are a simple and effective solution. They do exactly what they are made for: help you sleep better. Before you go, click the link in the description below to get those sleep earbuds from Timo. If you don't have the Timo app yet, download the app and create a free account. It's only take few minutes. Don't forget to use the coupons listed in the description of this video to get extra discount. Sleep better, spend less, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.